Come in.
I know you're super busy. I'm sorry to bother you. I just wanted to run something by you.
Well, you are bothering me. What do you need?
I've got an idea I'd like for us to try.
I don't have time for one of your ideas. I'm working on IEPs, PDPs, and PLCs.
Come on, it won't take too long.
All right, hurry. What is it?
I want us to record a rap video.
Are you crazy? I don't have time for that.
Y'all feeling that vibe?
What vibe?
That Greenlee vibe. Word. MC J Money and Dr. J representing. We about to keep it real one time. Hit it, 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 hit it. Cause we've got that Greenlee vibe. V to the I to the B-E vibe. We've got that Greenlee vibe. V to the I to the B-E vibe. Value, inspire, believe, empower.
Those are the words that make it strong like a tower.
Value, inspire, believe, empower.
Value,
Show others they're important.
inspire,
Encourage those who are around you.
believe,
Trust in what they can become.
empower.
Give them strength to carry on, yeah. Cause we've got that Greenlee vibe. V to the I to the B-E vibe. We've got that Greenlee vibe. V to the I to the B-E vibe. Value, inspire, believe, empower.
Those are the words that make it strong like a tower.
Value, inspire, believe, empower.
Value,
Show others they're important.
inspire,
Encourage those who are around you.
believe,
Trust in what they can become.
empower.
Give them strength to carry on, yeah. All right, we're gonna break it down now. It goes a little something like this. V-I-B-E.
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 V to the I to the B to the E.
V to the I to the B to the E.
V-I-B-E.
V-I-B-E.
Cause we've got that Greenlee vibe.
We got that Greenlee vibe.
V to the I to the B-E vibe.
V to the I to the B-E vibe.
We got that Greenlee vibe.
We got that Greenlee vibe.
V to the I to the B-E vibe.
V to the I to the B-E
Everybody
vibe.
now.
We've got that Greenlee vibe.
V to the I to the B-E vibe.
We've got that Greenlee vibe.
V to the I to the B-E vibe.
We've got that Greenlee vibe.
V to the I to the B-E vibe.
We've got that Greenlee vibe.
V to the I to the B-E vibe. Yeah.